Hey everyone, I hope you're all having a great day and creating amazing automations on Make. Welcome to the vibrant community of Make. Picture this, the daunting task of manually sending emails to numerous recipients, each requiring attachments. Sound tedious, right? Well, fear not, we have encountered similar challenge and devised an ingenious solution for sending multiple emails with attachments seamlessly. Allow me to share our discovery with you. So first of all, our database of choice will be Google Sheets here. We are going to keep it simple. So here we have email ID, first name, last name, subject, what we are going to send in email, the content that we are going to send in email. After that, we have the attachments. Now here we have the file IDs of the attachments. These are taken out from Google Sheets, Google Drive, and then we are going to set the status to valid now to send the email, and then we are going to click on send email, which will trigger this app script that we have written, and this is attached to that button here. Now after this app script has been triggered, we are going to come to this scenario. This webhook will trigger. After that, it is going to search the rows. This Google Sheet module will search the rows with the status being valid. Now the message of the content will come here, and we are going to just clean up our content for the email. After that, we are going to iterate over the attachments. So you might have noticed that we have multiple file IDs inside the attachments here. So we are going to divide it by a comma, and we are going to create an array. After that, we are going to insert it inside Google Sheets, Google Drives, download a file module using file ID. So as you can see, we are taking the file ID here. After that, we are going to aggregate, because we want to send both the attachments in the same email or multiple attachments in same email. That's why we are going to map directly. So here, as you can see, we can use the target structure type, and we have to set it to attachments, and then we'll be able to see this direct mapping round radio button. So just click on it and map it. After that, you can just directly map the array here, and as you can see, all the fields are already set here that I have done. All right, after that, we are going to update inside our sheets that we have sent the email. So now let's just quickly run through this process. As you can see, my scenario is turned on here. Now I'll just go to the sheets and click on the send email. As you can see, the status is also valid. So yeah, I'll just click on send email. Now, as you can see, it's had finished the script running. When we come back here, as you can see now, the automation is running. Okay, now the automation has been, and the email has been received here. So you can see this email with the attachments here. And this automation isn't limited to just business emails. It's versatile and can be applied to various scenarios, including sending payments related emails, software renewals, and more. This automation solution can streamline your workflow and enhance efficiency. Let's harness its power to revolutionize how we handle email communication. Thank you for watching.